Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remap your buttons on your PlayStation 5 DualSense Edge controller. So if you want to remap the back paddles, this is really easy to do. Let's go up to Settings and choose this and scroll on down. Then go to Accessories. Now, we want to go to where it says DualSense Edge Wireless Controller and go to Custom Profile. Then we have to assign a custom profile. So we can go up to the top and we can create a profile. Then on the bottom here, we want to go to where it says Assign Profile. Once we have it assigned, we can select it now. So let's go to my sniper setup. And then we can go to Customize Button Assignments. And all we have to do is select a button. So here's the back paddles. I can choose this and I can choose any button now. Otherwise you can completely disable it. And you can see you can use the touchpad under here. The Share and Options buttons are also accessible. So just choose the button and then you can go to Apply over here and then you can easily select it. So you can see you can remap the touchpad or even the swipe button, the PlayStation button here as well. So there's a lot more buttons under here. Then we can go to Apply and we can press the FN key in and then we can select our different profile. So if I want to go to my sniper setup here, I can switch over by pressing X or O. So on one of my setups, I have FPS, and then I have vibrations turned off on the same settings. So if I'm switching back and forth and I don't want those on. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.